going to show you how to make a thread loop, one of these. Often you'll have a hook with an eye made out of thread. This dress needs a new one, but I'm going to show you how to do it on contrasting fabric and thread so it's easier to see. I use a heavier weight needle and a heavier weight thread that's doubled. So I make a stitch where I want my loop to be in about the length that I want that final loop to end up, and then I go back in very, very close to the same holes twice. So you have a stitch that's right on top of the other one. And then I go under those stitches. See, my needle is under, and I just bring it through multiple times, essentially making a thread cover of that, the stitches that I just made. I do that maybe 5 or 6 times, maybe more. You're adding some bulk here and giving it some stability. And then I make another pass to anchor it. And generally, I'll either tie off here or go back down. I like to go back down where I started, especially if you don't have double fabric. You know, I would like it neat on the other side, and then I will tie off both threads at the bottom so you don't have a big mess to deal with. And there's your loop, nice and tight.